Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing great and fine. Today we're going to prepare chicken butter, and these are all the items I'm going to be using for my, these are all my ingredients. So here I have self-raising flour. Here I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 chicken breast at the middle. So here I have 1 egg. I have my chili and my seasoning Maggi. In my seasoning Maggi, if you're following me very well, you know that I have everything: my thyme, my chili flakes, my cumin, my fennel, my coriander, everything and more is in that spice. So this is the self-raising flour that I use. I use the Tesco one, and I have my water here, my chopping board, and my intestine. So that is it. I don't think I'm going to finish all the chicken um breast that I have here. I'm just going to do little of it. So right now I'm going to be getting my ingredients, my liquid ingredients ready. I'm going to break, oh my god, I'm going to break my egg. Don't know what's happened to my egg. So I'm going to clean, I break it bad. So guys, I've my egg is in there, so I'm going to be spicing my butter, my liquid is in here, because I'm not going to use salt because this season contains a lot of salt. So but I want it so spicy, so I'm going to be adding more chili flake, because the chili flakes that was there is not really much. So I'm going to be adding because I think that I put plenty flour here. So I'm going to be adding my flour that I think this one is okay. I'm going to be adding that, and if it's not enough, that's why I have this here. I'm going to add more. But for now, I'm going to draw it closer to me, and I'm going to add my water, then mix it and see. And we need what is it called, cooking oil, which my fry pan, you will see when I want to start frying, I pour some of it into my pan to be getting hot ready, so that I'm not going to waste time. It saves my time when I do it like that. I'm not going to do much, so let me add more flour there, and I'm going to add more spice, and that's it. So I'm going to mix it like that. Now when you do your own, you have all the nice ingredients together, and you enjoy your stuff. So just have to. So I'm going to set this aside. Then I will continue with my there is my chopping board. Then I'm going to continue with my chicken slice. I bought this pack from what is it called, from Aldi, I think. So I just slice it tiny like that. Just slice it straight tiny like that. Just slice it straight like that. I think I'm going to end up using it. Finish everything. I don't think this is even chicken breast. It's somehow. That's not true. So that's it. I'm going to cut everything just in a slice like this, just long slice like that, so that they can and make sure that all the sizes that you are cutting are even, that the same size, so that they can cook perfectly at the same time, because you are not going to fry one in the pan, you are going to fry much of it. So that's it all, guys. Can see I try as much that they are all the same sizes, so you can see. So I'm going to proceed with it. So guys, I decided to add this fried shallots this thing. I just said, just let me, it will help the flavor, you know, it's a to help the flavor. So I'm just going to add small to the mix something here and to here, because I'm going to season this one as well. And that is it. So I'll move this one closer. You can see it's very handy and so easy to move the three bowl together. So I'm going to mix this one together. I'm not going to add chili to that. I'm just going to add that to that, and that is it. I'm not going to use more than that, and this one is going half the way. I think I'm going to add more of this here. So this is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to add, if you're doing this kind of thing, you make use of your two hands. So we see how we go. So this first into the dry pan here. Then I'm going to drop it here because I want it to be easy if I want to fry it beside me here, because of my camera there is no how I want to be transferring it like that. So I'm going to do it like this first. Just dip everything in here first, so I'll be left with one tray to work with. So just because I'm not going to do double dipping to the liquid one, because I don't want it to be full of flour. So I'm just going to dip it once and I fry it straight away. I don't want double dipping. So that's why it's easy for me to do it this way. But if I'm doing the other way, that is double dipping, I'll dip it here, dip it there, then come back and dip it here and dip it there too. and that help it as well for the um liquid mix here to stick onto your chicken or your stuff very well. So I'm just going to do it that way or until I finished dipping. I think I explained that I dip my chicken into the plain flour. That's why it looks like this. So from this one now, I'm dipping it again because I'm dipping it again into my plain flour to make it those. So I'm putting it into my liquid now. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just disconnect it. There's it. This is it. So this is it. So I'm going to dip my chicken into it like this. I'm going to be doing the work with just one hand. That's it. Then I'm going to try if my oil is hot. Not yet. So guys, as I said earlier on that I use this oil, rapeseed oil. It's a very good oil. I bought this from Mark and Spencer. So and my pan is here. I've poured some oil into it already. I think I'm going to pour a little bit more because I'm not sure if it's going to be enough, but and I'm going to wait to make sure that my oil is hot. So that, okay guys, I'm going to try it with this one. My mixture is very thick, you can see. So I'm going to dip it into my frying oil. Yes, it's hot. So I'm doing the second one the same way, the same method. Just drop it like that. I don't drop it straight away because I don't want it to sink. And to just come up, you see, instantly it just lifts up. So I'm going to do the remaining two like that. I just have to put my tray down beside me so that I can do the work so nice and perfect. So I'm going to lower my what is it called, my gas. So because it's on the high side, see how it's bubbling. So I'm going to be turning it and make sure that they are perfectly done. I'm going to remove it. I know it's not done. Then I'll blow my gas. So guys, as you can see, this one is brown. I'm just going to take it off. Just have to take it off and continue with the rest. Okay guys, can you see this one? This is the one I fried so far, and the rest is doing the rest are still frying, because you have to make sure that when you drop it, I think I'm going to show you another one when I drop it. When you drop it, to make sure that the other side is brown before you turn it. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes or 1 minute. It depends how hot your oil is. So this is what I'm trying to talk about, guys. If you are doing it, to make sure that your butter cover all the white flour or all your chicken like this. Then you drop it. You do it the same way I show you. You make sure all your butter cover your chicken like that. Then I drop it. Let me lower my so that's it. You can season yours the way you want to season it. It's not compulsory that you should season it the way I season mine. So guys, you can see here that it's getting brown. You just have to turn it. You can see, you let it sit 1 minute. My own pan is very hot. The oil is very hot, so you can see. And you make the other side too to stand the same minute before you turn it. And that is it. And when it's brown as this, you just bring them out. Can see that chicken butter. Can see how it feels like. That's okay guys, there is it. I finished frying it, and the inside, this is how it looks like. Can see perfectly done. Can see it's done perfectly. It's so nice. You can eat it like this. You can eat it with roll. You can eat it with baguette bread. You can put it in between bread, and that is it. Can see? That's it. So nice. You can see the inside. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification button so that you will be the first person to be notified whenever my video is out. Whenever my video is out, share, comment, subscribe. So that is it. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.